Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make these pearl napkin rings. These are super cute for a summer dinner or beach picnic, but they're also great for my DIY brides. So if you like this, let me show you what I used to get this look. For this project, I used gloss white spray paint, napkin rings, and gem adhesives. My first step is to spray the napkin ring holders with the white spray paint. You can spray the inside and the outside, or you can just spray the outside, it doesn't matter. It just depends on the aesthetic that you're looking for. My napkin rings are painted and dried. My next step is just to add the gemstones onto the napkin rings and I'll be all set. As a reminder, this is what the napkin rings looked like before. This is the final result. This is what they look like when you've painted them. And then I did one without the paint just so that you could see the difference. So it's still cute, but you can see the silver part through where the pearls didn't meet. And if you want a more, I guess, finished look, you would do the white. So once again, thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a really great week and I will see you next time.